Kevin, what are you in? A big boy bed?
Yeah.
Do you like your new big boy bed?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are we going to take the crib out of your room?
Yeah.
There's the big boy bed. Oh, better put your blanket back on there. What are you doing, silly goose? Hey. Good job.
Like that.
Oh, okay.
I get it.
You got it. I love you. Hey. Hey, you. I love you. Can you say love you? Do you love mommy? Alright, say bye.